So the only thing I think I've heard you say that you would charge for would be a nadir replacement, not the compass, not the business card, not the quick link, not the mini map. And if you were to put, you're super reluctant, even though you see the value in that business card, you're super reluctant to put it in unless Matterport had a global replacement feature so that you could say, hey, you know, all the tours that belong to ABC Realty, I can to John Smith at ABC Realty, I want to be able to just enter that information once and have it globally replaced.
Yeah, we need to have a whole, again, separate discussion on feature requests, and we can sell that data to Matterport, because I think we can come up with some gold.
Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, we'll make it free. When this show, today is Thursday, June 6, 2024. We'll publish this show in the We Get Around Network forum next week. We'll add the captions, etc. When we do that, I'll start some new discussions in the forum for wish list related to more plugins, wish list in terms of modifying the 4 different plugins that exist, and then maybe start the wish list for other plugins, giving you credit back for like Nadir as an example, just to start that one out.
I'd be curious. I want to see how everybody else is using these plugins. I think they're all useful in some way. I think the compass is kind of like the compass in my car. I don't tend to look at the compass in my car.
You're not a gardener. I'm telling you that, you know, if you were a gardener, you would immediately, like, if you were the real estate agent, the first thing that the person who's prospect for buying the home is, where's the sun?
Sure.
You know, they going through the tour. I promise they care about that.
Okay. My ignorance.
So I'll start really for all our viewers. If you go to the We Get Around Network forum, wegetaroundnetworkforum.com, I'll start some discussions based on today's show, including, Tom, your request of how are you using, show us examples of how you're using Matterport plugins, and maybe even ask a note, or are you just doing that for free, or are you actually charging for that added service?